Surely you've heard that the goal of building the Tower of Babel was to reach heaven, but this is a mistake, and we're going to see why in this video. Today, we're traveling back in time to an era when all the inhabitants of the world spoke the same language, a fascinating story that teaches us that when we unite, we can achieve great things. Stay until the end to discover what happened with the famous Tower of Babel. And remember, if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thousands of years ago, on a vast plain in the land of Babylon, humans decided to unite to build something grand. In those days, everyone spoke the same language and used the same words, which made communication and collaboration easier. This sense of unity led them to a magnificent project, to build a city with a tower so tall that it could be seen from anywhere on Earth. Using baked clay bricks and tar as mortar, they began constructing a gigantic structure. Their goal wasn't to reach the heavens and get to where God was, but rather to make a name for themselves and avoid being scattered across the earth. However, in the midst of their construction, something unexpected happened. The Lord came down to see the city and the tower they were building. God wanted them to spread out and fill the earth, not stay in the same place stagnating as they were planning. Observing their unity and determination, God said, "The people are united and they all speak the same language. After this, nothing they plan will be impossible for them." So, he decided to intervene. God confused their language, making it so that the workers could no longer understand one another. Imagine the chaos. A simple request for bricks turned into an incomprehensible mix of sounds. The construction came to an abrupt halt, and the inhabitants of Babel scattered across the world, leaving the project forgotten. This event not only marks the origin of the different languages we speak today, but also leaves us with a profound lesson. Sometimes our grandest plans can be challenged by greater forces, reminding us of our dependence on God and the importance of obedience to His Word. What do you think about this topic? Leave your comment below and share your perspective on the Tower of Babel. If you like this video, I invite you to watch the video I'm showing on the screen. In it, we explore another fascinating biblical story and its teachings for our daily lives.